Are your Google Shopping ads getting ignored? Discover the exact PLAs your competitors are using to dominate search results. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use SEMrush's PLA Research to uncover competitor strategies. We'll cover domain overview, growth reports, and country comparisons. Start by heading over to the Boost Your Google Shopping Campaigns with PLA Research page on SEMrush. Now, go ahead and type in the domain you want to research. Then click on Search to pull up the data. Once the results load, click on Domain Overview to review the high-level metrics. Next, click on Overview to get a more detailed look at the performance. Then, click on Growth Report to see how things are trending over time. Finally, click on Compare by Countries to see how performance differs across regions. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.